Hey, seventh graders. I want to go back over this math question with you. I know I did it with you in the Zoom, but when I got off, I realized that I did not do this question exactly right. So I just want to do it with you one more time before you have to take it in your little quiz. Okay, so here we go. We're going to start with the model of the bathroom. So the model of the bathroom is 2 inches by 3.5. All right, so we're going to use this scale to figure out the new dimensions of the bathroom, okay? All right, I told you when we were in class that this represents 1 inches out of 20 feet, but actually, since these are both in inches, these are going to represent the same measurement. So up here, we use 2 different units of measurements. And it told us that specifically in the problem. Since this only says 1 to 20, we're going to assume that these actually represents the same measurements. And since this is in inches, these 2 numbers are going to represent inches as well. So we're using our model. So we're going to do one at a time. So the first thing we're going to do is figure out how long this wall is, the shorter wall. So we're going to put our 2 up here. So we could either cross multiply 1 times x is x, and 20 times 2 is 40. Or we could have thought, okay, 1 times what is 2 times 2, right? So 20 times 2 is 40. So either way, we could have got the same answer. So we're actually going to say that this is 40 inches. Ignore my pen, it makes those weird lines sometimes. So now we're going to use the 3.5. So let me erase this part. So we're still using the top number for our 3.5 because it's our scale drawing over actual. So our scale drawing is 3.5. And we don't know what x is. So we can cross multiply. 1 times x is 1x. And 20 times 3.5 is 70, all right? And like I said, it's 70 inches and 40 inches. Now the question is, what is the area of the bathroom in square feet? So in order to find out what the area is in square feet, if we multiply these 2 numbers, we get 2,800 inches. That's the area in inches, but it wants square feet. So the first thing we're going to do is convert these numbers from inches to feet. So how many inches are in a foot? 12. So if we divide 40 by 12 in our calculator, we get 3.33333. So I'm going to write that as 3.3 feet. And then 70, we're going to divide by 12 because there's 12 inches in 1 foot. 12 inches in 1 foot divided. So 70 divided by 12 is 5.83. So I'm going to round this to 5.8 feet. Okay. So we have a 3.3 foot room by 5.8 foot room. And to get the area, we're going to multiply 5.5 times 3.3. And I'm doing that in my calculator. I said 5.3, I think I said, but 5.8 times 3.3 is 19.14. So 19.1 is just over about 19 squared feet. All right, so I'm sorry during the Zoom today, I confused that one because we got an answer of 2,800, but that's still in inches. So let's go ahead and convert those inches to feet before we multiply length times width. Okay. All right. So that is how we do that problem, guys. So I hope everyone has a good day, and I will see you tomorrow for social studies. Goodbye.